my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion of all things beauty. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. Now I did my best to not look at what was being sent when I went on to my Ipsy account, and I do have to say I was a little disappointed that they do tell you what they are sending you. One of the things I love about getting a beauty subscription each month, like BoxyCharm and Ipsy, is the surprise of it. Yeah, you may know one or two items that you'll be able to get due to choice items, but other than that, I think the rest should be a surprise. I don't know. That's just what I think. Anyhow, I'm digressing. Let's just get right into the video. Now, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. Each month you'll receive a bag of products based on what your preferences are, which you do let them know by taking a short quiz and then reviewing the products you do get each month. You can choose between 3 monthly subscriptions, the Glam Bag, which is a $12 a month subscription, and you'll receive at least $50 worth of 5 deluxe samples with having the choice of one item. The Glam Bag Plus, which is a $25 a month subscription, you'll receive at least $120 worth of 5 full-size products with the choice of 3 of those items. And the Glam Bag Ultimate is $250 worth of 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe samples, and that is $50 a month. What I love about Ipsy is that they give you the option to choose as many options as you would like each month. As you can see, I grabbed 2 bags this month. You can choose 1, 2, or all 3 of the options each month. Plus, if for whatever reason you want to skip a month or 2, you can easily do so through your Ipsy account, rather than going through the process of canceling your account and then having to re-sign up again. On top of that, you get the opportunity to save on a variety of makeup, skincare, and beauty products, full size and samples through their add-on program. If you are interested in getting your own Ipsy Glam Bag each month, or if you would like to learn more about it, I will have my referral link in the description box below so you can check it out. Now, in my last unboxing video, I mentioned that I was unsure if I'm going to keep both subscriptions with Ipsy. So this month's bags are going to hopefully help me decide which subscription to continue each month. So I'm going to start off with the one that started it all, the Glam Bag. Now, I do have to say I am absolutely loving this bag. It is just so adorable. Now, with your bag, you'll receive a card that will let you know what the theme of the bag is that month. And it'll also give you a list of the products that you have in your bag, along with the description of each of the items, a beauty tip on how to use each of the items, and it will also give you the retail value. The first item I got is the Beau Gauche's Ipsy exclusive limited edition tapered highlighter brush. So this is an Ipsy exclusive. I just love how Ipsy sends their brushes with this little thing. Oh, this is super soft. I could so see myself using this for highlighter. I love how the handle goes from dark to light. This is what the tip looks like. So this retails for $15.95, and I can use this with powders and creams to liquids and gels to illuminate my cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of my nose, basically anywhere I want to glow. And the beauty tip says that this is a perfect brush for blending any harsh lines out. So that is good to know. The next item is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Translucent Pressed Setting Powder. So the full-size version of this is worth $30, and I am so happy that I got this because I have humongous pores, especially around my nose area, and goes into my cheeks right here. This is what it looks like opened up. Now on the card here, it says that it's not only designed to visually blur imperfections and pores, it's also supposed to be healthy for your skin with anti-aging peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, and antioxidants to protect, nourish, and smooth. I am so looking forward to trying this out. The next item is, ooh, this will be helpful. Lasting Smiles Peppermint Cream. It's an organic lip balm, and the retail value is $5.99. Oh my god, it smells like peppermint. Oh, I am in love. Lately I've been using the Carmex Comfort Care lip balm, but I think for the winter time I'm going to try this out until I use this up. I just love using lip balms, especially in the winter time. Up here in Massachusetts, my lips get extremely dry, and then I start getting chapped lips and cold sores, and it's just no fun. So I am loving that I got this in my glam bag. My next item is, so I've never heard of this brand. It is the Male Beauty. I am so sorry if I mispronounced it. It is the shade Sun Kissed from the Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow collection. This is what it looks like. Now they say the eyeshadow palette is $29. This does look like it would be a perfect transition shade for me, or a base shade. Last but not least is the Grace and Stella Lavender Lotion. I actually got Grace and Stella eye masks in my BoxyCharm box a few months ago, and I just absolutely love them. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this out. It says that it will add back hydration all over with this floral scented body cream. It's made with cocoa seed butter, aloe vera, and rosehip seed oil to keep your skin baby soft for up to 12 hours. The beauty tip on here talks about how lavender is a scent that is known to help relax you. And the full-size version of this is worth $17. So this is what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I would have to say overall it does look pretty good. Now let's get into my Glam Bag Plus, and this one is a lot softer than my Glam Bag. Looking for the card. This too comes with a card with that month's theme, which is Home for the Holidays. And instead of having a list of the products that I got, it gives me some do-it-yourself recipes to de-stress my hair and lighten up my skin. Now, if you would like to see me do either or both of these recipes, let me know in the comments down below. I would be happy to check them out and try them out for you and let you know what I think. They do say to go to Ipsy to learn more about the products I got, so I'm just going to do that real quick. So, the first product I got is IBY Beauty Fireside Eyeshadow Palette. I have to say this packaging looks pretty cool, and they do have a stamp on here that says it is an Ipsy exclusive, and the value of this is $15. Now remember, with the Glam Bag Plus you get full-size products. So let's check out what we got. Ooh, this looks like a perfect little winter eyeshadow palette. And it comes with a mirror. It says, "Hey hot stuff." So these eyeshadows are supposed to be infused with moisturizing vitamin E and rosehip seed oil. According to the Ipsy website, it says it's vegan and free from sketchy ingredients like talc, mineral oil, and parabens. I have to say I'm really loving this eyeshadow palette, and based on what the names of these are, this is definitely meant to be a winter-like palette, which I totally agree with. Like, it's got the shade Below Zero and Nippy, Hoodie, Cozy Up. And I have to say, I am loving all of these shades. Like, there's not one of these shades that I can't see myself wearing. So I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, my next pick is from Dominique Cosmetics, and I do know I did pick this. This is her infamous skin gloss, and I got the shade Golden Dew, and this retails for $25. Now, for those of you who don't know, Kristen Dominique, who is a very popular YouTuber, beauty influencer, the first beauty influencer that I've followed on YouTube. So I just absolutely love and adore her. So I'm so excited to be able to get this. I mean, her packaging is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at how classy this looks. And I heard just nothing but amazing things about the skin gloss. On all of her makeup products, she always will have like a little saying on it. And on this one, it says, choose to shine. So for those of you who don't know, this is a highlighter. And it is infused with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your skin. Plus soft champagne pigments to deliver a low-key glow. Oh my god. Just from looking at it, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I think this is going to be my new go-to highlighter. So my next product is Ciate London Eye Luster Creme Eyeshadow. So this is another one of my choice items, and it retails at $22. I got the shade Cupid. I'm going to be quite honest with you. This year I have tried a couple of liquid and cream eyeshadows, and I just have not had any luck with it. I got the Ciate London palette in my November or October BoxyCharm box, and I absolutely love that eyeshadow palette. I mean, every single one of those eyeshadows in that palette are absolutely gorgeous. So that is why I chose this to try out. This color just absolutely looks gorgeous, and I just hope that it doesn't give me the issues that other liquid and cream eyeshadows have given me. I have fine lines and wrinkles, and especially on my lids. So I tend to end up having liquid eyeshadows and cream eyeshadows like settle into my fine lines, and it gets chunky and doesn't blend out correctly. So I'm hoping I don't have that trouble with this one, because just looking at the shade of this is going to be just simply gorgeous on the lid. It has like a pink, champagne, green, like psychedelic type of look. It just looks simply gorgeous. Ooh. It went flying. So next is Wander Beauty's Skyliner Gel Eyeliner. It's in the shade Jet Black. This is awesome that I got this because it was actually out of gel eyeliners. I just realized that today. So this is definitely going to be able to help me and hold me off. I am loving the way it looks so far. So this is supposed to be infused with olive and jojoba oil, so you'll never need to stress about it pulling, tugging, or skipping along your water or lash line. So thank you, Ipsy. I definitely need this. Last but not least is, oh my god. Oh my, I forgot I chose this. It's the Eyeko Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. Last month I got this mascara in my glam bag as a sample, and I absolutely love this mascara. This is by far my favorite mascara that I have found in 2020. It's just absolutely amazing. So when I saw that this was a choice item, I definitely went and picked up the full size. So once I'm done with this, I already got my full size. So that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I definitely love this bag. Now do keep an eye out for my video where I'm going to be trying out what I got today. I'm just waiting for my BoxyCharm box to come in, so that way I can unbox that, and then I'm going to just try out all the products that I got from both BoxyCharm and Ipsy, so that way we could see which one was best, which products I'm going to be using more from. I have to say, if you asked me last month which option I was going to choose, I was going to say the Glam Bag. This month, I have to say the Glam Bag Plus. I don't know. What do you think? What subscription do you think I should keep? Do you think I should keep the Glam Bag, or do you think I should keep the Glam Bag Plus, or do you enjoy that I do both of them? Now, if you do receive a Ipsy Glam Bag, do let me know what you got in your glam bags this month. And if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And if you have not done so, I welcome you to join me over here on my channel where we share our passion for all things beauty. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.